Welcome back. In another violation clearly of global conventions, Pakistan seems to be playing another trick, this time to block justice for Indian national Kulbhushan Jadhav. Pakistan is now claiming that Jadhav was given 2 months' time to file a review petition, but he refused to file a review on his conviction and is instead deciding to go ahead with his pending mercy plea. Pakistan says Indian government can file the review on Jadhav's behalf. Pakistan has now invited India for a second consular access for Jadhav, also permitting the father to meet him. Congress party has now appealed to the government to move to the International Court of Justice again and saying we should not believe Pakistan at all, hinting it could just be a bigger conspiracy. Remember, Pakistan is claiming it arrested Jadhav in 2016 on charges of espionage and terrorism. India maintains Jadhav was an Indian naval officer, was abducted by Pakistani agencies from Iran.
See, I don't have any iota of doubt on Pakistan's intentions. Basically, Pakistan has been built on lies. So, in fact, they have been saying lies in this particular case because any sane person would like to review all his available options. So, in this case, Kulbhushan ji is saying that I will not go for review petition review. So, I don't think it's a statement coming from him. It would be have been forced either, or probably Pakistan is saying lie in front of world.
Kulbhushan Jadhav has actually refused the review petition which Pakistan has offered to them. He is actually being offered under the pressure from the Pakistani side, and consular access has not been given. Now they have asked to give him second consular access, and what the Indian consular sees on the ground, he will advise him accordingly, and the legal support will be given to them because our International Court of Justice has given specific direction that he must be given the proper justice.
India Today's Foreign Affairs editor Geeta Mohan now joining me. Geeta, how should one see this refusal, so to say, on his part against a review petition, instead going in for a mercy plea? And then how can Indian government really intervene? What are they telling you?
Well, two things. One, this is Pakistan saying that Kulbhushan Jadhav has refused a review petition and wants to go in to continue with the mercy plea.
Yes.
Secondly, even if there is a review petition in a Pakistani court, can there be any justice for Kulbhushan Jadhav, Pooja? There certainly can't be. So, in many ways, then one, if Kulbhushan Jadhav, if according to Pakistan, Kulbhushan Jadhav is not or has refused review petition, is because he has no faith in the judicial system of Pakistan. The Indian High Commission will have to be conveyed the messages and the announcements made today, two very crucial ones, whether if the Indian government will be looking at a review petition, and secondly, and a very important one at that, is the consular access that has been announced for India, particularly for the father to meet with Kulbhushan Jadhav. We do not know what to really make of that, but the fact that there is another opportunity for Indian officials and India, the father to meet, is something that will have to be read very carefully. Don't forget, Pooja, the kind of treatment that was meted out to the mother and wife of Kulbhushan Jadhav when they had gone with the consular access to meet Kulbhushan Jadhav, and the way and the manner in which they were treated, not just by the authorities but also by the media. So the Indian administration is going to really carefully look at what this offer for the father to go to Islamabad and meet Kulbhushan Jadhav.
And also it will be very interesting now that India also has an invitation to perhaps take it further in some legal way. What action will India also take? We'll keep tracking that. Geeta Mohan with all the latest. Geeta.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.